TCX51 features class-leading side shovel power and 3-way adjustability, coupled with push-button PowerOut control. The 10 to 26-inch tabletop has built-in diameter marks for mistake-free clamping, and high-grip wheel protectors offering maximum damage protection while preventing wheel slippage. H models feature 2-speed rotation for fine control when you need it, and fast operation when you don't. The heavy-duty swing arm design is fast and familiar for all technicians. The polymer and optional steel heads feature a large demount contour to keep beads tracking properly. The press foot features an integrated lifting hook to position any tire with ease, even during demount. Hunter's patented winged mount head automatically keeps tires tracking properly and works well with raised spoke and clad wheels. The bead press keeps those tougher tires in the drop center. Powerful blast nozzles inflate large tires with ease and are automatically set with jaw position. For more information on the TCX51 as well as Hunter's full range of tire changers, visit hunter.com.